Welcome to day 4 of my vlog. Today we are going to be making farmer's cheese out of goat's milk. I like this cheese a lot for spreading on crackers or toast or sprinkling on salad. This cheese also can be used for whatever you want that you can use soft cheese for. So let's get started. Today we are using a half gallon of milk or 8 cups. And we are going to turn the heat on low. While the milk is heating, you want to occasionally stir it to keep it from scorching to the bottom of the pan. Okay, now once you see all these tiny little bubbles, but before it starts to boil, you can add your vinegar. You add a half a cup of vinegar per 1 gallon of milk. Since I'm using a half a gallon of milk, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Once you pour your vinegar in, let it sit for about 30 seconds and give it a little stir. Now you turn your heat off. As you can see, the curds have separated from the whey, and the whey is like this light greenish color. Line a colander with a cheesecloth or a cotton towel and place it on top of a pan to catch the whey. Once your cheese and whey has come down to room temperature, then you can dump it in so that you can strain it. The whey will now start to strain off of the cheese. Once you've stopped hearing the whey from straining out, you collect the cloth around the cheese and then you squeeze the cloth until more whey comes out. Once the liquid coming out starts to turn white, then you stop squeezing it because then you will be squeezing out the milk fat. Once you have finished straining your cheese, it should be this nice crumbly texture like feta. At this point, you can add your salt and whatever other seasonings you would like to use.